Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls.
Today, we continue our Decorating the Dollhouse series. To complete the second floor, we are going to make our dolls a cozy living area. The room has been cleared and cleaned out. On the back wall, we added faux shiplap using white poster board. You can see how we did this in our cottagecore themed bedroom. First, we placed Mary Ellen's teal sofa bed up against the back wall. Now to choose a floor rug. We have this trio of tea towels bought from Kmart. They have white stitching. We used the grey one in the dining room, so thought to carry through the theme using the black one here. To keep with this colour theme, we opted to use our large black and white polka dot cushions and our smaller black and white striped ones. This cream textured scarf will make a lovely doll throw blanket, and we'll add a secondary colour using this pink AG accent cushion. With the sofa complete, we can start adding more pieces. In the right corner, we want to add this console table from an older AG set, and on top, we'll put Mary Ellen's lamp. Against the wall, we will put our DIY upright piano. Thanks to one of our viewers for suggesting we incorporate a music room. On top of the piano, we'll place a cluster of flowers, selecting a trio of vases in different sizes. This one's from Leah Clark's collection. And here we spray painted an OG flower pot pink and hot glued in some shrubs. Here we put a battery operated tea light inside an Our Generation bird cage. Add the DIY sheet music and a picture up on the wall to complete this side of the room. Under the window will be the entertainment area. Here we replaced the drawer inserts and made new ones from pink cardstock to better suit our colour scheme. And to tone down all the bright colours of the American Girl box, we've made a sleeve from paperboard covered in wood grain contact paper. Simply slip the box inside, then put it into the unit. Now place the TV on top and a plant made from cardstock and an empty sanitizer bottle painted white for the vase. In the left corner of the room, we've placed the Journey Girl storage tower and filled it with all kinds of things you might see in a living room. We've clustered taller elements at the top, such as the Eiffel Tower ornament, clock and pink picture frame. In the next shelf we have books, a radio, games, and on the bottom we have Clarissa's sewing machine. Here we cut a rectangle of foam board. It's a scrap piece from when we made Kira's platform tent. We've added push pins in pink and blue so that we can hang more musical instruments on it. Adhere the foam board to the tower with double-sided tape so it can be removed later if desired. For a doll-sized coffee table, we'll use this distressed wooden plant stand. On top of it, we'll layer the Grand Hotel serving tray, and on top of this, a smaller tray to hold the doll remote controls. We also added a candle that we made in our 2020 Decor Ideas video. To decorate the back wall, we printed line art pictures with a music theme, and teamed them with a DIY mirror since they have matching black frames. Fantastic! Our new doll living and music room is all finished. It's a comfy, relaxed area with different spaces so the dolls can enjoy their different pursuits. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love it if you hit that like button and subscribe to support the channel.
See you soon for more miniature crafting fun.